Hello and welcome back to another one of my tutorials. This one is going to be on how to make a moving camera, which will, at the end of it, will look like this. It will follow the player, and yeah, let's get right into it. So first off, let's go to our room. And let's go to instances. Actually, we want to go to room and room properties. Oh wait, no, it's just hiding down here. Let's just pull this up real quick. Alright, so first thing that you're going to want to do is probably increase the width and height of the room, because it's going to be, you know, very small, and there's no reason to have a moving camera with a very small room. So I increased it to 5,000 width with 768 height. So after you enable viewports, you're going to want to go to viewport 0, click visible, and then just keep this the same. Keep it 1024 by 768, and same thing with this one. But then with object following, you're going to want to click your player, and then you're going to want the border to be pretty lenient, because you want the player to see what's in front of them. Same thing with the vertical border, and the horizontal speed and the vertical speed, that just tells the border how fast it needs to go, how fast it needs to move forward when the player gets to that border. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.